warming, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, the worldwide financial crisis, and real estate securitization. Building management is becoming increasingly difficult. Taking a look at building management, marketing, and leasing. One look tells us our business environment is changing. And it forces us to think about reducing energy costs and also how to enhance maintenance efficiency in order to effectively deal with these problems. Unlike what many think, this involves more than investing in the latest energy-saving equipment. How this equipment is operated and managed must also be considered. As a consultant, building owners come to me with building management problems. I'm sure you're familiar with concerns such as these. A service technician is recommending air conditioner maintenance to the building's owner. The owner is suddenly faced with unexpected costs. And just when it looks like it will stop, the big one hits. He's really got a problem. What? A flash of inspiration. It's the Air Conditioning Network Service System. The compressor is the heart of an air conditioner. Many sensors are used to control it. The majority of problems involving compressors have to do with those sensors. With Daikin system, sensor problems are dealt with as they occur, preventing larger problems. That's why if you sign up for the system when your air conditioner is installed, your maintenance costs are significantly reduced. Now you can manage your budget with a sense of security. When there are few people, the room seems colder than the set temperature. And when there are more people, it seems hotter than the set temperature. And the building's owner, he's off somewhere vacationing. He gets a call from the tenants we saw earlier. Now all he can do is worry about what's happening in his building. What? A flash of inspiration! It's the Air Conditioning Network Service System. This system optimizes your air conditioners to run efficiently according to the weather. On muggy days, the air is properly dehumidified. Energy-saving tuning allows not even the slightest waste caused by overcooling on cooler days. Owners can take vacations with no worries. One day, while the building's owner is making his rounds, he notices his tenants talking heatedly about something. Concerned, he listens in and hears them discussing the building's energy-saving measures. Of course, everyone wants to talk to the owner. The owner is at wit's end with no idea what to do. What? A flash of inspiration. Right. The Air Conditioning Network Service System. Conventional energy-saving measures take a great deal of time. Daikin's automatic online data management supports energy saving. So you can safely leave energy-saving measures to the manufacturer. All right, you did it! Impressive, isn't it? Let's go over the reasons why I'm recommending this air conditioning system. This system requires only the installation of a network-linked monitor in the air conditioning system. The system is monitored 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Leave energy saving and maintenance issues to Daikin. For example, by monitoring and analyzing accumulated data, major problems can be predicted before they actually occur. Daikin takes care of all repairs and parts replacement. In addition, based on weather forecasts, Daikin provides accurate, individually optimized energy-saving control. Energy-saving analysis is also supported. This helps to keep your air conditioning in top condition so you can save energy. I hope you now understand why I fully recommend this system. Daikin's system is used by satisfied customers all over the world. Daikin is well known for being environmentally focused and for true energy savings. It's time for you to stop thinking and to start acting. I'm certain you won't be disappointed. Well, that's all for me today. I hope we meet again. Yes? What air conditioning system do I recommend? Why, Daikin, of course. Yes, with pleasure.